I wasn't going to do this video, but then I was like, I might as well.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. I'm gonna jump right into this video because I have to hurry to get this video done before I change my mind. Today I'll be waxing myself for the first time, and I'm going to be using this wax warmer that was sent to me by Crenova. It's an Amazon store, and this is their upgraded wax warmer. Okay, so it came inside of this box with some wax beans. We have some sticks. We have a wax warmer. We have some warranty paper and the user guide. Small user instructions. We figure it out as we go. I don't got another wax bean. It came with 4 different wax beans. Here's the lid. Has a little pot that the wax goes into. The little thing to plug it up is right here. So I'm gonna go ahead. Alright, now the little light is on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and look at the user guide real quick. Okay, waxing instructions. Alright, right here it says, use a spatula to test the wax temperature on the inside of your wrist at first. Melted wax should spread easily, but should not be It should not be uncomfortably. It should not be too hot, okay? Okay, so I told y'all I'm waxing my armpits. We're gonna go ahead and use the green beads just because I feel like if I use these, it'll be better. Okay, they don't have a scent. Wait, they don't smell like nothing but wax. So that, go ahead and drop some of that in and out. How much I need? I need put that much. Disclaimer. Okay, there's hair. So if you don't like that stuff, you need to exit out of this video. The wax is melty. And it says to test it on your skin first to make sure it's not too hot on the inside of your wrist. Okay. Inside of my wrist. Nothing too major. I'm gonna take the sound off because I already know it's gonna be intense and I'm not trying to embarrass myself. Hey, it got some hair. The warmer itself is good, but me, I am not a waxer. Maybe I could try somewhere else, like my eyebrows or something, cause I don't know. That was a lot. And big shout out to Crenova for sending me this wax warmer, and a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. I love you so much. Mwah.